We'll guide you through how to use Google Docs suggestions effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and access the document you want to work on. Once your document is open, look at the top right corner. You'll see a pencil icon with a drop-down next to it. Click this icon and select Suggesting from the drop-down menu. This mode allows you to make edits that appear as suggestions rather than direct changes, which is perfect for collaborating with others. When you start typing or making changes in the document, your text will appear in a different color, and a suggestion box will pop up detailing your proposed change. This is especially handy if you're working with a team and want to propose edits without altering the original content. Your collaborators can then review your suggestions and either accept or reject them. To accept a suggestion, simply click on the check mark that appears next to it. If you want to reject it, click the X instead. This feature helps streamline the editing process and keeps everyone on the same page without losing track of the original document. Remember, you can always switch back to editing mode when you want to make direct changes. Just click the pencil icon again and select Editing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.